Hey there, channel. So there's going to be a bit of a mix-up tonight. I've somehow lost the wok and the trivet off the ziggy, so we are going to actually be doing this one inside in the oven, which I've never done. So anyhow, we're going to be making peanut satay beef, formerly known as satay beef. So most people, they'll make their own sauce, but I'm going to shortcut this one and try this sauce. So hopefully this tastes good. So what we'll be doing is we're going to be using stir fry beef. I'll be warming that up, or heating it up, sorry, in the fry pan. I'm going to cut up some carrots. I will rinse and cut up the sprouts. We've got broccoli, which I'm going to be cutting up, and some onions. So what I'm going to be doing in this video is I'm going to be cutting everything up and chucking it into the pot, and I will be cooking this on the stove top, but I'm going to possibly use 2 fry pans for this. So I'll brown these, and then I will start to slowly cook these, and then I'll introduce the sauce with the veggies while letting the heat go down on these, and then I'm just going to mix it up to one big lot. Now on top of this, I'm going to be cooking this with special fried bullies rice, which it's pre-cooked, but I'll show you all how it looks when it's done. So in the next scene, these are actually going to be going in the fridge for now, or back in the fridge, but you will see the broccoli cut up, the onion cut up, carrots cut up, the sprouts rinsed, and everything sitting in that pot, just like this. Okay, so we have carrot cut up. I don't know if I've done it right, but bigger is better. Got onion. We have got bean shoots, sprouts, or whatever they're called. And right underneath the whole lot, we have got some broccoli. So this is going to be a monstrous cook up. I'm probably going to have to do this in maybe 2 halves, but we'll see how we go. So in the next scene, you will see the beef in the fry pan, and depending on how we do it, you will see the veggies in the other pan, like. Okay, so I would usually be cooking this on the barbecue, but some of my barbecue parts have gone missing. So anyway, I am boiling the onion, then I'm going to add the beef into there, and sorry, no, I'm frying the onion, and I'm boiling the carrot and the broccoli, and then I'm going to add the beef into here. Once the beef's browned and the onions are browned, I'm going to add in the those things, whatever they're called. And then I will be adding in the sauce and mixing everything up. So it's more or less turned into a house cook. And I'll show you what it looks like in. Boom. Okay, so I've got this up to a raging boil now. Looks pretty disgusting, but should look pretty good when everything's added. So now I am going to add the bean shoots. I don't remember what they're called. Add the bean shoots. Once they're a little bit fried up, a little bit softer, I'm going to add the sauce, and I'm going to add the veggies. I'll show you how it looks in. Okay, so now I've added everything together. I'm just letting it all simmer and all cook together as one. So it's actually looking pretty close to what I usually would order from the Chinese restaurant. It is quite a large lot, so I think I'll be freezing some of this for lunch for the week. Yum yum. Okay, so this is nearly done. So I'll let it simmer for a little bit more. I do apologise if this one was not on the barbecue. It usually would be, but I could not find my wok and I could not find the trivet. So I will be cooking this one up with this fried rice that I got from Woolworths. That's only like a microwave job, so I've got to heat that up. I kind of cheated it with that one there. But yeah, Hopefully everyone liked this one. It was pretty short because like I said, I generally do not like cooking in the kitchen. I prefer cooking inside, as the channel's designated to cooking on barbecues. But if this actually does taste any good, I'll give it a go next time on the barbie. Probably will be cooking about half of what I cooked this time. I way overestimated. So yeah. Anyway, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.